We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. Don't know if I can decipher how your mind works. Yeah, you leave me wondering what it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Good morning, guys. So today's the day. Where's the light? Today's the day that we get our fence installed. And I'm so excited because we've waited 3 long months for this moment right here, and I just closed the ring. So they're putting up the post today, and then they're coming back in a few days to put up the panels. I'm so excited. Finally get privacy from these people, and your girl can't wait. Like, I'm excited. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the process, and yeah, so come along. We have all the posts right there. They're digging the hole. So we're gonna have a gate. We're gonna have 3 gates. We're gonna have a gate over there, and then hey baby, we're gonna have a gate here. Hey! Ow! We're gonna have a double gate over there. So I'm excited. Are you excited for your fence? Yeah. Yes? Okay, so we're all out here.
You said
Robin's gonna get us a car wash.
Uncle, I literally looked at you.
Janelle's treating us for the day. Wherever she gotta go, we gotta take her because she talked her uncle into it. So, it's her day. So we're just out here, just like with a whole bubble gut. But we're gonna get a car wash because my truck is disgustingly dirty. It rained the other day and I was behind a truck, like a work truck, and
would you like to have a receipt? Please wait when your card is being authorized.
the dirt from the work truck just was like blowing back onto my truck, and it needs to be washed. So make sure all y'all windows are wind up.
We're all good?
Yeah, here we go.
Oh my god, oh my god. Whoa. You didn't even get in yet.
These children.
Go in. Oh my god, oh my god, go in. Get on there. Oh my gosh. Okay, ready?
In the back.
Okay, Maddie, look.
Look at these kids. Look at these kids.
So amazing.
What?
Ooh, look at that. Looks amazing.
What's happening? What are you doing? Let me prop up. Oh my god! Oh my gosh. Wow. Auntie, cue the YouTube music.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you would carry me. I just hope you know my depth.
Oh yes.
Even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotion. Sometimes I'm the lightning, you wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you hold me if I
Okay, so we're at the mall. Janelle needs to get bra from Aerie.
I don't know.
What's for dinner?
I need a mask. That's what I need.
Why are we always needing masks?
Because father took mine.
Get your sister out the car.
Sorry. I tried.
I need a mask. Sounded like a whole Batman. I need a mask. Okay, my daughter.
Are you saying something to me, ma'am?
Nothing.
Okay.
Get your sister out.
Please say it to
Anyways, we grabbed the other 2 boys, and we're gonna go grab something to eat at Fiesta.
No, I know English.
What's that, honey? It's a Mexican. Tapatía. Tapatía. It's a Mexican restaurant, so we're gonna go grab something to eat and then go home because I'm tired.
This is not American.
So they had to split us up because the tables don't fit a family of 8. So I ended up with the boys and Daddy got all the girls. So Daddy got the girls, I got the boys. And I wanted fajitas, so that's why I'm here. I'm here for the fajitas, but I gotta find something for the kiddos to eat because they're not really familiar with the menu. So you guys want taco or you want they have taco, they have fajitas. What do you feel like eating, JJ?
I'm still looking.
Okay. Taco? What do you want, Jordan?
I have no idea.
Okay guys, so Janelle took us out for lunch today and we had pho. And today we are treating the kiddos to dinner because it's been a hot minute since we felt at home since we left. And it hasn't been like an easy transition to where we are right now. It hasn't been easy, so this feels like us, you know, here's our food. The 2 boys. No. Yeah. So it hasn't been an easy transition, so this is starting to feel normal. Did you get that? You got rice. You got rice with your food. You had theirs is a piece their meals together because they wanted tacos. So, but they have a lot of fries they could share with you. But there's Mr. Rob. They're getting their food. That's me over there. So, I think that's yours, Megan. I think that's yours. But anyways, I'm gonna give these kids their food and figure out what's going on. So I'll talk to y'all later.
So I got the monster. I wanted fajita. Okay, so dinner was great. Our waitress, Rob gave her a $25, was it $25 tip he gave her? Yeah, because she's new and to get a big family like us, and she did an amazing job. And she struggled a little bit, but you know, grace. We have to give people grace, especially when they're learning. So she got a nice little tip from Mr. Rob, and Mr. Rob don't give out tips. Just know that he don't give out. It's based on your performance. So for Mr. Rob to tip that big, you must know that, you know, he's feeling generous tonight. So we're going home now. Janelle treated us to lunch and the entire day. She's bougie. If y'all don't know anything about Janelle, y'all should know that Janelle is bougie, and a trip with that child will cost you a whole paycheck. Okay? Just know that. But I wouldn't trade it for the world because she's learning from Moa. That's a joke. I'm not bougie. I shop at Ross, okay? I told her, I was joking with her today. I was like, I can't go up to no Ross employee and be like, do you have this in a size? They'll be like, ma'am, please go search the rack. You better. But anyways, it was an amazing day. Nightcap. Rob got us a bottle, so hubby and I will be, you know.
I'm so full.
Rob is full, so I don't know what's going to happen with the night, but there's a nightcap that involves just Rob and I. No children or adult child. Janelle's the adult child, if y'all don't know. We always joke that she don't like if I go to the store with Janelle and she needs something, she'll trail behind me, and I'm like, Janelle, you're an adult, you can go off and get your own stuff and come back to me. She's like, I keep forgetting I'm an adult and I can go off on my own. So she's the adult child. but I love hanging out with her. She's a whole ball of fun. I feel like we'll be best friends forever because we like the same stuff. We got expensive taste and we're broke as heck. Right, Nelly? But one day we'll get there because we're her job that she's getting ready to come out of college with. I'm gonna be like, where's my favorite niece? Hey, wanna go hang out? You're paying. But I'm proud of her. She got into a school in Maryland and she got a whole bunch of scholarships. So I'm excited for her. She graduates in June and then she starts college in the fall. So I'm gonna be sad when she go off to college because I won't have my little buddy with me anymore.
She's gonna come home on the weekends, isn't she?
She come home on the weekends, but not every weekend. I'm gonna have her come home like on holidays, and you know, just like if we miss her or anything, we can go grab her. You know what I mean? Because she's not far. It's not like she's in a whole other state. Well, technically, but I mean, you know, it's decent. It's a decent ride to go pick her up. We can pick her up every weekend if we wanted to, but that's a lot of mileage on my truck and gas. No, so once a month is fine to pick her up, or every 3, well, technically that's the whole semester. Hey, Sleepy. Hi, Juju. Hi. All right, so they are done with the fence for today. They'll be back on Monday, but this is as far as they've gotten with it. So, yep. So yeah, they'll be back on Monday to finish it up, including installing the panels and stuff. Well, they still have to put more posts and stuff down, and then I think Tuesday, Wednesday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It should be done by the end of next week. I'm so tired, so exhausted. And it was a really good day. The weather was like amazing. I gotta show you guys like my yellow plants in the front. They're coming in. We planted those last year. I think I'm gonna do a round circle of those because I feel like one is not enough because I love the fullness of the yellow trees, and I'm gonna show you exactly which yellow trees I'm talking about because only in the springtime is it yellow. So I'm gonna take you guys around the front and show you, and when I think next weekend I will start planting. So I have to be very selective on what I'm planting again this year. Those took really well with the kind of soil that we have. So I think I'm gonna plant a few more of those, and then I'm gonna do some more a privacy tree on that side because of where the fence is. I'm gonna show you guys exactly where that is. We need a little bit more privacy into the backyard because of where we had to start the fence on that side, because our meter box for reading, don't pull on my arm, baby. The meter box for reading, for when they come to read the meter, starts all the way at the end of the house, and we can't enclose that. Well, we can enclose it, but technically the guys are supposed to be able to come and read it freely without having to come into our backyard if we put up a fence. And if we do put up the fence, if we do enclose it, we'd have to do our own, we'd have to send in our own meter reading, and I don't want to sign up for that. So we started the fence right at the end of that side, and then we did the middle section over here. So I'm gonna have to take the camera around and show you guys exactly where we start the fence. So I'm gonna need a privacy tree on this side to kind of like hit our backyard with full-on privacy from the other houses, and you know what I mean. So I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. It'll make sense once you guys see it. And there's a lot that I have planned, but you know, in stages, you know what I mean. If not, I'll be a broke woman. This house is like a money pit. Money pit. They like build brand new. No, I would prefer to start like if you wanted what we want, which is like older community, like trees, mature trees and stuff like that, I wouldn't advise you to build new, because when you're building new, you're starting from scratch with everything, and it takes years to grow trees. Like those things don't just come up and just like, here I am. So if you're looking for maturity, building a brand new house from scratch is not where it's at. It's taken us 2.5 years just to grow a little pruny little tree. Let me go show you guys the tree I'm talking about. Oh, it feels so good out here, babe.
Oh my god.
We gotta replace this trampoline. Again, this is the second trampoline. Alright, let's go see the tree. So right here, see, the meter box is right here. We have to start a little further because we can't enclose. HOA said we can start mid-house, so that would enclose this, and we can't if we don't want to do our own reading. So we have to put it here. So I'm gonna put a privacy tree right here, and then there go my yellow one. He's coming. Got that one. Planted those last year. They're coming in. Planted these last year. That one last year. And that tree. And then I did these. My father-in-law gave me these last weekend, and I planted them because these were in his backyard wild, and he gave it to me, and I planted them, and these just came out today. So I kind of think it took. My mother-in-law gave me this plant right here, and we planted these 3 rose bushes. These didn't do so well in the summer, so I think I'm gonna plant more of these because I love these. These are really nice. I think there's another bush of them, but they're supposed to get like really big and stuff. This is supposed to be Rob. So I planted all of these. So I'm gonna do more. I like the yellow. I like the yellow against our house, so I'm gonna do more of that. But this guy, oh, he's so pretty. I love him. So pretty. I think I'm gonna put one over here, but it's gonna be a double gate right here, so Rob can drive his truck when he gets it in. And then I'm gonna show you guys where else there's gonna be a gate. Walk. I didn't know we had this much space over here. Didn't know. Let's go to kiddos again. There's gonna be another gate right here. Yeah, right here. It's gonna be a gate that leads to that little water runoff over there for when it snows. And then over here, what's the matter? Get off. Get down.
No, it was landed on his back with her knee.
Why'd you do that?
I didn't do it on purpose.
It was an accident, Jackson. And then right here, it's going to be a single gate right here. But it's going to be, and then we're going to have a walkway leading back around here too. We're going to be putting in a patio and extending the deck this way and out this way. But we need the privacy because the last time HOA was called, even though we got our approval, they called HOA. So we figured we'll put our fence and do whatever we want in our backyard without people calling HOA. Yeah. So put up the fence and then continue the build of our backyard. Which is kind of crazy. I wish people would just mind their business and stay out of ours, because we don't get involved in anybody else's business around here, but everybody else get in our business, like legit get in our business, and I don't know why. We've never done anything to these people. But so once the fence goes up, we can continue with extending the deck further out, putting a patio, a fireplace, and a play area over there for Maddie, because she's still young, she's 4. Instead of having her, you know, go to these little Germsey Park because of COVID. So I'm gonna put in a little play area over there for her, the fire pit, the patio, extend the deck, and then do garden around the fence line and be done with the backyard. Be done, okay? So anyways, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Even if you try, you